So everybody tells you to just start, right? But nobody actually talks about starting the smart way. Guys, in this episode, I'm breaking down how beginners can actually move from stuck to booked and sharing the exact products that'll help you skip the trial and error. Because listen, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars just to look premium. You just need the right tools and the right plan. What's up, industry pros, and welcome back to Raising the Bar, which is the only podcast for draping entrepreneurs who really want to glow up their skills and their businesses. It's your girl, Precious Stevens, the Draping Queen. And guys, today we're going to talk about what it really takes to get your draping business started and the beginner-friendly tools and the products you need to do it the right way. Because if you're anything like me, baby, I started wrong, and I mean way wrong. So I want you guys to really stick around because I'm going to give you the full scoop on our new fabrics, our starter kits, and how to grab a seat at my next beginner's draping masterclass. All right, guys, so before we get started, I want to ask you guys one question. What's one thing that you realize that you need to fix or maybe even simplify to really start your draping business stronger in 2025? Not something that you need to do next year or next quarter. What is something you need to do right now so that it can and take off? I want you to tell me below down in the comments because I would love to hear what your next step is or what it needs to be. Okay, so let's get right to it. We're going to start with part one, which is why most beginners stay stuck. Believe it or not, guys, it's really common to be in a place where you're stuck. You want to gain traction. You want to get started. You want to grow. You want to scale, whatever it is, but you feel like you can't. And I'm quite sure that you're probably experiencing something that is very common in the industry. The very first thing is overwhelm, especially when it comes to the draping industry. Let's face it, you got so many different choices and not enough structure, right? You probably are one of those guys that's in the Facebook groups or wherever it is. You're asking all the questions or you're on YouTube and it's now a bunch of different information. You don't really know what to listen to, child. And trust me, I get it. But believe it or not, guys, it's not really a lot you need to get started with draping. And not to mention, it's so many ways that you can get started with little to nothing and really almost free. I talked about that in another podcast, guys. You definitely got to check that one out. Truth of the matter is you don't need 50 fabrics and 15 classes, right? You need a simple plan and smart tools. Now, when I first started, yes, I did start with the photography stand. Why? Because I ain't know no better, which probably a lot of you guys don't know either. Not to mention, there were so many people in the groups, not my group, because I haven't even created a group yet, child. But there were so many people in the groups, the core groups, telling me to go to Home Depot, go get the PVC pipe, go on Amazon, buy the photography stand. It works wonders, la 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 la. It was a bunch of bull crap. It had me looking straight up like a fraud. I didn't like how it felt or how it felt. And that is what led me to look for other solutions, right? So guys, you don't need 50,000 fabrics, especially in this climate in 2025, because the draping game, the premium draping game at that, is taking things to a, not necessarily a new level. It's really just old stuff resurfacing, but it's a lot more monochromatic, right? It's a lot of neutral tones floating around that is, guys, killing the game. It looks phenomenal. It really expresses you can do so much more with less because it's speaking va va boom all day long. And if you really look and dissect these events down and this draping down, it's really not a lot to it, but looks flawless, child. So that's all you really need, guys. You don't need 1,000 different classes either. You really need to start, if you don't know anything at all, you really just need to start with a basic or a beginner class and kind of work your way up. Now, when you're new, it can be very overwhelming when you jump into a premium class or you jump into a Baroque class because they're structured differently. They're structured for people that pretty much know the basics, right? So if you're new, guys, that is exactly where you start, basic or beginner class, okay? That is your smart plan. Your smart tools is going to be what I explained to you in this video, so make sure you stay to the end. At the end of the day, real talk, the fastest way to grow, guys, is starting with the essentials. Not all of the extras. You don't need all that. That is stuff you buy and accumulate as you grow, or as you have those clients that request this stuff, right? You don't buy it in hopes that somebody's going to book it or somebody's going to request it. No, you just wait. So start with the essentials, okay? I definitely don't want you guys over there buying everything up like I did. If there was a sale, baby, I was there just because it sounded cute. It sounded like I was saving when realistically I was wasting. And I don't want that for you guys. Not to mention, guys, when I first got in, aside from the photography stand, when I finally got a little couple of coins and I started really making smart investments in my business and buying professional equipment, I still bought the wrong stuff because I was advised, I'm not going to say wrong, but I wasn't advised with the best solution for my business where it was at that moment. Guys, and that's exactly why we created the Posh Basic Kit. This is the exact kit that I wish I had when I started. It would have been perfect, but the kit I purchased was really tall, hard to transport, hard to design on. It just was a mess. It wasn't professional. It was, but it wasn't the best solution for where I was. The Posh Basic Kit, guys, is exactly what you need just starting out if you are not already designing premium draping, right? This is a no fluff, no guesswork, no thinking about it. This is exactly what you need to build your first clean premium backdrop. It's professional, it's high quality, the most affordable, guys. The Posh Basic Kit just cannot be beat. And it has still flexibility, right? You can choose from the single layer, the double layer, or the triple layer. So you still have some flexibility and you can build on it later as you grow. If you want to transition to a premium kit or a different kind of kit, guess what? You can, because all of it is interconnected and intertwined. But starting out, I would highly suggest you starting with the Posh Basic Kit. And if you're looking for draping equipment, you guys know I definitely will have these links down in the description. Also, the Posh Basic Kit product is tied directly to this video because our shop is right here on this platform. And guys, that takes me to part 2, which is what you actually need to start and why we built this for you in the first place. Because let's just face it, things that are built for designers by designers are more thought out because we know exactly what it is that you need. And the main thing is you can start with economical blends because they're super easy to use. Maybe you haven't had a class yet, right? These blends are very forgiving. If you don't know how to make the pleats pleat, if you don't know all of the techniques I teach in my classes, this blend is perfect for you. Not to mention, it's also beautiful, right? It's perfect for beginners. It still gives you the aesthetics of flowy, backdrop is on point. The only people that would really notice that the backdrop isn't premium are actual designers, right? People that may have been trained properly, people that know all about fabric, people that have learned my 3-zone method, people that just pretty much understand the anatomy of a backdrop. Outside of that, your clients really don't know because they're not designers, right? So the economical blends, such as the 2-way stretch, is perfect. It is, like I said, it's very forgiving. So if you don't know all of the hand mechanics right now, that is where you definitely would start. And if you kind of want to dibble and dabble and play with the techniques that I share, because I do share some techniques over here on this platform, I will focus on some sheer blends, right? Especially 2025. Baby, sheer is that girl this year. I'm trying to tell you. And I haven't really played with sheer, with the chiffons mainly, in a long time because I was in my traditional premium backdrop setup and I didn't really put chiffon in those type of designs. But the designs that we're creating this year and even beyond, because this type of draping isn't going anywhere. It's not that it's here to stay because it's always been around, child. But now that it's more prominent and a lot more locals know about it and it's easier to actually design, more people are going to gravitate to it. So I definitely would suggest you guys to incorporate some of those shears just to give you some kind of balance with texture and still not texture that's hard to manipulate or hard to pleat where you actually need training. Because we've actually just had our 2-day masterclass here in Atlanta yesterday. We had it. Today is Saturday that I'm recording this podcast. It was Thursday and Friday, which was Thursday and Friday. Yeah, so it was yesterday and the day before. And even still, like just people just saying, still seeing the ladies in class, how they are with manipulating fabric and how they are with pleating, and how the light bulbs go off when they actually see you share the technique and teach the technique and move their hands, because some people need that extra support, right? They actually need you to take their hand and move it and guide it in a way so they understand it, because not everyone gets it right away. So it's still good to see that this is a technique that does need training. But when you're just starting out, or you're looking to get started, the economical blends, the sheer blends, guys, they are perfect. Don't overthink it. I'm trying to tell you, you can definitely get every freaking thing you need to create your first professional backdrop with any product from our Shopify store, guys. And this will not break the bank. Not to mention, over this past week, we have just recently updated our entire shop. Reason being is because we just got in a lot of new products, because a lot of new products have hit the industry, because it's giving you that flexibility with being able to incorporate chandeliers and being able to incorporate just different embellishments on your design. And I'm in love with it. I really am. So definitely be on the lookout for those new trainings and those new tutorials showing you guys how to use this. I'm going to be doing a lot of mock-ups now that we are in our studio. And now that my obligation to the classes are over. Our next classes are coming up though. But the beauty in that is that everything is under one roof at our studio. If you want to shop, our warehouse is right there. It's 3 doors down. If you want to have the mastermind, our conference room is right there. If you want to do your style shoot, our studio room is right there. Everything is right there. I'm trying to tell you. So I'm so in love with our next class. I'm super excited about it because it's going to be a lot more convenient and a lot more flexibility. We don't have to worry about time. We don't have to worry about having to rush out of there. I don't have to worry about transport and loading trucks. And ooh, child, I'm excited about it. I'm just excited about it. I am. But yeah, if you're looking for these products, guys, definitely shop the Shopify store, because we just recently did an extensive research, especially with everything going crazy with the tariffs and people increasing and all of this stuff. We wanted to make sure we were still in our competitive in our market, but still affordable, because I am a designer and I know what it's like when you're trying to build your inventory. So some of our prices increase, guys, and some of our prices decrease. I just really want you to go check out everything we've updated on the site. You will be so amazed. Even some of the things that doing our research, I was amazed. I was like, ooh, they are going to love this. Some of the things that we found that you guys have been asking us for a while, we finally went on ahead and added it. And yeah, I'm excited. So definitely make sure you hit that link down in the comment, down in the description. Make sure you go ahead and check out the Shopify store, because it is laced. And we have some new blends that we just uploaded, a whole bunch of new blends, but we still have new blends that we're going to be adding, and some new draping equipment that you guys will love, because you've been asking about it. So you'll love. So just keep an eye out on that, guys. I'm super, super excited. But one thing I definitely want to tell you guys, don't wait thinking it's going to stay around. Because if you don't know anything else about the Posh Academy's Shopify site, we sell out fast. For one, we're a lower shop, right? I ain't gonna lie. I try and keep an extensive amount of products to make sure that you guys have what it is that you need. But thanks to me having a very loyal tribe and a very loyal community, soon as they find out it's something that we have, guys, it does not stay on the shelf long. So with this new wave of training, this new wave of draping, we now are offering fabric by the yard, because with this Baroque style, you're not really looking to purchase 12-foot panels, 14-foot panels, 16-foot panels. You need raw, uncut fabric, and a lot of it. So for my ladies that's looking to have that kind of fabric, definitely that is on the site now. You can purchase by yard, and you don't have to worry about having it sewn, none of that. You can take it out of the bag and start designing, child. I was super excited about that as well. Check them out. Definitely look for the beginner-friendly fabrics for my beginners. Look for the economical blends, such as the stretch, because these look really premium without the premium price tag. And grab them now while they're in stock, because they do go quick, guys, okay? Especially before class dates, because anytime I have classes, people just buy stuff up. And now with the classes being there at the studio, with the students being able to just go over and shop, it's not going to last long. I'm trying to tell y'all. All right, guys, real quick. If you're getting any value from today's episode, especially my beginners, like you're getting some insight on what to get and how to shop wisely, I need y'all to do me a huge favor, right? Tap the like button, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and share this episode, guys, with one of your event besties who needs to hear this, because people are shopping around. I'm still seeing it. People are posting in the groups looking for this stuff, and you could be a huge help to our industry and a huge help to the Posh Academy, right? By simply sharing this video. Not to mention, guys, I set a big goal this week because I'm really loving creating this content and I want to continuously do so. I am pushing to hit 100 likes and 100 new subscribers by the end of this series. And guess what, guys? With y'all support, I know that we can crush it. Your shares, your comments, your love, it's what keeps this podcast growing. And it allows me to really keep pouring to y'all week after week. I love sharing my knowledge. I love that you guys take it and implement and able to create change in your business. So help your girl out. Hit that subscribe, drop a comment, and let's hit that 100 together. Now, let's get back to it because I'm about to drop some more gems. All right, guys, I got another question for y'all. If you could start your first setup with any color fabric of your choosing, what would it be? I want you to drop your favorite color below. You might just see it stocked in our shop soon if it's not already there. Which takes us to part 3, guys. Part 3 is all about skipping the struggle. If you want to just skip the daggone struggle, come to class. It's just that simple. If you want more than the YouTube DIYs, guess what you need? You need mentorship, right? You need someone that is there that can guide you properly, hold your hand, all the things so that you can actually move the needle. Guys, we are doing beginner classes this year, again, now that we are in the studio. And this allows me more flexibility because I haven't done a beginner's class in quite a couple of years, right? Maybe 3 years, I'm trying to tell you. And so now to be able to do it in our own studio, I'm super excited and I want you to be a part of it. Our very first class, guys, is May the 17th. And then the next class is June the 7th. And this is designed to teach you real premium techniques the right way from the beginning for beginners. So not only do you learn the fundamentals, guys, you'll leave with a simple, repeatable formula that will have you booking your small setups almost immediately. Now, if that is not a return on your investment, I don't know what is. By the time you leave class, guys, you will be prepared, especially if you go shopping right there at the studio. Like you'll have your equipment, you'll be able to have your fabric, you'll have everything you could possibly need to go home and kill it. And you'll be immediately set up for success. I would highly advise you to take your photos that you are able to create from your style shoot in class, post them right away, start getting those inquiries, and go ahead and book your next client. And if you price it properly the way I teach you, you will have reaped your investment on your very first client. Now, I don't know about you, but that sounds like a good ROI to me. So guys, if you're serious about getting booked, then guess what? It's time to invest in the right tools and the training without wasting time, wasting money, wasting energy on trial and error. I want you to shop the beginner kits down in the link in the description below. I also want you to grab your seat at the next class and start building a brand that books. So if you're still wondering which kit is best for you, I want you to check out this video right here because this is where I break down everything you need to know on the different kits that there is out there, right? And this is going to help you pick the perfect starter kit for where you are in your business. It's your girl, Precious Stevens, signing off. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.